All right. So this person wanted to know how can she make a man want to impress her? Wait. Yeah. Um, I have to read that over because it's like, huh? All right. So basically, in order for you to get a man, to impress you, it's not really about that because naturally, um, how can I put this into words like properly without coming across too harsh? No, you know what? I'm gonna say what I say, and if it comes across harsh, oh well. Yeah. Listen, it's not about him trying to impress you. Yeah. It don't make sense for him to impress you. Do you get it? It's like, who are you? Why should he impress you? In fact, leave your answer in the comment section below. Like, who are you? Why should a man impress you? Why? If it's him that you want, then you have to impress him. If he doesn't necessarily want you, or maybe he does want you, but he's showing with his actions, but he's not on the mindset of, oh, let's be in a relationship. Like, if he insinuates the relationship, then, or brings it up, then fair enough, cool. Maybe he has to impress you, cool. But if you are bringing up the relationship and that's what you want, then you have to impress him. Now, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with you trying to impress him to ensure that you are meeting his requirements. Simple shit. Yeah. So click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Thealkebulantrust. When you do that, you'll get access to online courses such as roles and relationships, and that's where you're going to learn how to develop yourself as a pure feminine woman, plus learn how dating and relationships actually work. And you won't even have to worry about these certain things to do with impressions and stuff like that. Impressing other, it just don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. All right. You just need to be yourself naturally. He's gonna be himself naturally, and things gonna flow the way it's supposed to flow. All right. So if you got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.